Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna, and today's video I want to make like a Valentine's Day makeup look, and most of these products I'm going to be using will be from like Five Below or Dollar Tree or whatever. So let's get into this video. So first I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this In Bloom palette from Five Below. It's by Color Story, and I made a video reviewing this, so I will link that down below. I'm going to start out with this color Sweet Pea, and I'm going to put that all in my crease. I am going to use like this crease brush. I got this from Dollar Tree, and it's Wet n Wild, and I've dampened the brush because I've noticed with a lot of these different eyeshadows that works a whole lot better. It's harder to see like on camera here, but it's a whole lot more like pigmented. It's like more of an orangish color, like sort of in the light here. But on my camera it looks different. I am going to go into its Gardenia right here, and it's like a sort of like a purplish color. I really like purple, but pink's my favorite. So I'm going to go put that all in my lid with this, I don't know exactly what this one is called. I think just a regular eyeshadow brush. And all my brushes are from Dollar Tree, and they are all Wet n Wild. And I've noticed with this palette that some of them do, like some of them are sparkly, but the sparkles don't go all the way through. So yeah. And I'm going to be building this color up a little more so there's more distinction, but you'll see in the end. Next, I am going to go in with this like darker purple red color, and it's called Carnation. I'm going to put that all at the outer corner of my eye, because last video I said the wrong thing, but you know. This is just to darken everything up a little. And sorry if this looks bad, but I'm gonna, oops, my hat fell off. I am going to blend it all in the end. I'm going to go in with this LA Colors liquid eyeliner. I got also this one from Dollar Tree, but I've also seen it at Five Below. And I'm currently running out of this eyeliner. I need to buy a new one. So, yeah. For my under eye, for like my waterline, I'm going to be using this like pinkish eyeliner from Simple Colors. I got this from Dollar Tree. I did a review on this, and I will link it down below. And this is what it looks like. It's very sparkly, which I like. See, you can see it's very sparkly. That's what I like about this. It's just really sparkly. So, yeah. I will be using this Gold Elf highlighter. I actually bought it from Dollar Tree again, and I did a review, so I will link that down below and watch it if you would like. See, it's very pigmented. And I mainly just like briefly put it on like my cheekbones and stuff. That's really sparkly. Oh my gosh. And I even dampened the brush. So it's just amazing. And I will go off camera and blend that out. Lastly, I will be going in with a sparkly purple lipstick, and I know you can't see the sparkles in it, but the sparkles are actually blue, and got this from Dollar Tree. Again, accidentally broke it because it fell, and yeah. I really like this lipstick a lot. I bet now you can see the sparkles, so yeah. This is my final Valentine's Day makeup look. Like, comment, and subscribe, and if you want to see more looks like this, follow me on Instagram at Brianna Hake. Have a nice day, and bye. I have a mirror behind here, so that's what you see. Like, I'm not actually looking into my camera or anything, but yeah. So, if anything looks kind of weird, you know why.